Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about different short skills and you can earn money through it by providing the services on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. And now onwards, I will teach you some AI skills through which you can create content and monetize your TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. So let's go. And in today's video I will teach you how you can create or design LinkedIn cover and sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. So I'm going to Fiverr, and in Fiverr I check that is there is a demand of this skill or not. So LinkedIn banner. So there are only 1,000 results, mean competition is very low, and I will choose Fiverr choice. In basic he charged $40, in standard he charged $45, and in premium he charged $50. And let's see his portfolio work. Yeah, it's good. I will teach you how you can create it in 2 to 3 minutes. So we can create a banner for tech company. So we check the demand and now create it. I choose Canva for this because in Canva provides us different templates and it save a lot of time, so that's why I choose Canva. But if I use Photoshop or Illustrator, it will take a lot of time. So LinkedIn banner, so it shows us a lot of templates, so I click on this, but I change the but I remove the whole image because I want to make it for tech company, technology. The company name is Prime Elite. So Prime Elite Tech, and we have to choose some element of tech graphics. It's look good. So in this way we can create it in 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. And now onwards we are starting an AI course. I will teach you how you can create content with AI and monetize your own platforms like Instagram, Facebook, etc. And you can sell, also give services to people and earn good money. So wait for it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.